Hi friends, good morning. Please like my video, subscribe it and press the bell icon button. We will cover the remaining part of the similar triangles we have discussed already. Now, test for similar triangles, SSS test, SAS test, AAA test and AA test for similar triangles. We have seen that test. From that SSS test and SAS test we have explained. Any difficulties? Then we take comment box. I will explain afterwards. Now third test is AAA test. AAA means what? Angle test for similar triangles. Suppose these two triangles are given and measures of the angles also given. So here see angle B congruent to angle P, angle P congruent to angle P and angle C congruent to angle R according to figure because they have same measures. A and B have same measures 70 degrees. So these are the numbers. So three angles of one triangle congruent with corresponding three angles of another triangle. Then the two triangles are similar to each other by AA test for similar triangles. This is our statement of the AA test for similar triangles. Now, according to figure, we are explaining. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC corresponds to PQR for this corresponding. But angle A congruent to angle P, we can make this mathematical expression. Angle A congruent to angle P, but both have same basis. Number 1. Angle B congruent to angle Q. This is number 2, second equation. And remaining angle C congruent to angle R because 80 degree both are same measures. Angle C congruent to angle R. Therefore, from 1 to end, what we can say? If three angles of one triangle are congruent with corresponding three angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar to each other. This is the statement of AAA test. According to the AAA test, from 1 to end 3, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. By which test? AAA test for similar triangle. By AA test for similar triangles. We can show like this according to test this theoretical idea. And now remaining parts automatically congruent or proportional. Three angles we have taken, the remaining parts are what? Similar. Remaining parts are what? Sides. So sides, corresponding sides we can show in same proportion. This side AB without looking this we can take correspondence. Without looking figure, we have to take correspondence. This is very easy. First alphabet, AB upon BB. Is equal. Last alphabets. This is upon QR. And first last. This is upon QR. If three angles are common, then we have shown by AA test these two triangles are similar. So remaining parts are sides. So pairs of corresponding sides are also same proportion. If measures are not given, then also automatically we can show this. This is the reason for this statement. These are the pairs of corresponding sides, and these sides are in same proportion. So by reason what? By corresponding sides of similar triangles. This is the reason. These are the corresponding sides. CS corresponding sides of what? Similar triangles. These are the sides of similar triangles and corresponding sides. So they are in same proportion. This is about AAA test. Now interesting it is last test, that is AA test for similar triangles. This is what? Only AA test. Enough. Statement of the AA test is what? See. What is the statement of the AA test for similar triangles? If two triangles are given, then pairs of corresponding angles are congruent, then we can show two triangles are similar. But in AA test, if two pairs of corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then we can say two triangles are similar. Now test how to read. If for the given 1-to-1 correspondence between vertices of two triangles, if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle are congruent, then we can say these two triangles are similar to each other. See once again. For the given 1-to-1 correspondence is very important. Out of 6 that you have to use 1. If for the given correspondence between vertices of two triangles, if two angles of one triangle are congruent with corresponding two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by AA test for similar triangle. This is our statement. Now, here what given? Angle A 70 degree, angle B 70 degree. So I have shown in triangle ABC triangle PQR, ABC corresponds to PQR for this correspondence, angle A common to angle B. This is equation number 1. Now angle B and Q both are same 30 degree. So angle B common to angle Q. This is second equation. Therefore from 1 and 2 we can show not necessary to use third equation. Third equation is not angle C common to angle R. But here measures are what given. Let it be. We know that the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is theorem of triangle or property of triangle. This 70, this 30 becomes what? 100. Then the remaining is what? 80. This 70 and this 30, after adding you will get 100. Then 180 minus 100 is 80. So remaining angle R is 80. So 80 equal to 80. So angle C and angle R both will get congruent. How? By using property of triangle. So not necessary to use this third angle congruent to third angle. Only two angles we have shown congruent for given correspondence. Then we can show by AA test these two triangles are similar. Therefore from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by AA test for similar triangles, not AAA. One step we have reduced because of we know the property of triangle. Now remaining parts are what? Remaining part is angle C congruent to angle R. Only two parts we have shown. The remaining 4 parts remain. So therefore, once we have shown by test of similar triangles, two triangles are similar, the remaining parts we can show. Therefore, remaining parts are angle C congruent to angle R by CAST. CAST means these are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. So we have written congruent and AB upon P, BC upon QR and AC upon PR as usual. These are the corresponding sides of two triangles. Therefore, they are in the same proportion. Why? Because these two triangles are similar by AA test already similar. Since corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangles. This is about AA test. See from first, we must know correspondence between vertices of two triangles. How to write in 6 ways. Out of that, one way you have to use. Now, when two triangles are similar to each other, when 6 conditions satisfied, then we can show two triangles are similar to each other. Out of that, necessary and sufficient conditions, only 3 are there. That you have to take. Then we can show, according to test, these two triangles are similar. Now, test number 1 is SSS test. Second is SAS test. Third is AAA test. We are not using third test. Fourth is AA test for similar triangles. Now this is about test. Now one time again I am explaining the correspondence how to write according to figure. Suppose instead of this 730, 80 here, we are taking 80 here and 70 here. What will happen? Now correspondence how to write? First of all, write as usual. You are writing from anti-clockwise. You are getting current. You are not. Suppose I am drawing one triangle, and suppose length here, and ask the student read the name of the given triangle. The students are reading triangle L and N. No one is reading N and L or L and L. So you are getting the habit of that L and L. Let it be. In which way also we can use reading ways are and writing ways are more. We have studied in standard 5th and 6th and 4th also. Now, first write the name of the triangle ABC and clockwise according to you. Afterwards, you have to write correspondence. Before that, I have written ABC corresponds to PQR. Now, how changes C? According to measures. Now, A here, first alphabet, this first vertex. Here A is 80 degree. Now, here 80 degree, find out where it is. R. Angle R is 80 degree. Then write R. You understand, I think. First alphabet is A, then here also first alphabet is R. Angle A and R, matching or not? Matching. Both are equal, 80 degree. Now, second alphabet is here B. B is what? 30 degree. Find out 30 degree where it is? Here, in another angle. So, 30 degree measure of which angle? Q. So, Q right here. And third, not necessary to find out. Because why? Name of the another triangle is PQR. So, RQ here taken the name is what? P. Not necessary to find out. Then also you have to find out. This is C. C is what? 70. Where it is 70 here? Then right here. Correct? This is about correspondence. Writing way of correspondence. Now, what you have to write according to this? In triangle ABC. Suppose this figure given then. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC corresponds to R2P. R2P1 here. For this correspondence, we have to explain. This according to measures, we have to explain. Now this is about similarity between two triangles. I have explained. You have to revise, translate, do practice more, stay home, stay safe, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.